Now we're going to install the gutters. I'm just going to do the gutter on one side. If you had multiple tents set together along where you had two put together, you can use this gutter so that if there's any rain, the rain that'll run down here will actually be caught by the gutter and run off. So you can see the one side. Just take the clips, there's Velcro on each end that can go around, anchor it in place. Then after you do this on the same thing on the opposite side, then you'll have this gutter that'll run the length of the side to let the water run off to the edges.